Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make Doritos seasoning right in your own kitchen. We will start with the foundational ingredients that give it that signature cheesy and savory taste. You will need about 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast for the cheesy base, along with 1 teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder for a rich, savory depth. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of sea salt and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar to perfectly balance all those delicious flavors. Now, let's enhance that flavor profile with some key spices. A teaspoon of paprika is essential for both color and a subtle smokiness. For a mild, warm kick, incorporate 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, which adds a unique earthy depth. If you enjoy a bit more heat, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper will give it that extra zing you might be looking for. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to bring them together. Combine all the dry spices thoroughly in a small bowl. For a super fine, consistent powder that sticks perfectly, I recommend using a spice grinder or a small blender. When applying, sprinkle the seasoning generously over warm, freshly prepared snacks like popcorn or homemade tortilla chips. A light spray of oil or diluted lime juice beforehand helps the powder adhere beautifully. The best part about making your own seasoning is customization. Feel free to adjust the spice levels to perfectly match your personal preference. If you crave an even cheesier taste, simply add more cheese powder. To keep your homemade seasoning fresh, transfer it to an airtight container. Stored in a cool, dry place, it will maintain its vibrant flavor for up to 3 months, ready for your next snack creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.